dear friends, today let us reflect on the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 12, verses 38 to 42, wherein the scribes and the Pharisees ask for a sign from Jesus, and Jesus in turn calls them evil and adulterous generation, meaning apostate. Then Jesus says, "You are asking for a sign. I am God's sign. You have failed to recognize me." Here we have a tremendous truth. Jesus is God's sign, just as Jonah was God's message to the Ninevites, and Solomon God's wisdom to the Queen of Sheba. So the one real question in life we need to ask ourselves is, what is our reaction when we are confronted with God in Jesus Christ? Is our reaction a bleak hostility like the scribes and Pharisees? Or is it an humble acceptance of God's warning, of God's truth, like people of Nineveh and Queen of Sheba? My dear friends, the all-important question is, what is our idea of Jesus Christ?